Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Speak Cells on Enter tool in Excel. Let's get started. Let's say your boss or someone gives you a bunch of data that you're supposed to enter into Excel. You'll probably be looking at a piece of paper or some other source for that data. Maybe it's another screen or another application. You'll be looking at the source and then typing that data into your Excel spreadsheet. So unless you're very confident in your typing skills, you'll be looking back and forth from the source of the information, let's say a piece of paper, and switching between that and your Excel spreadsheet. Then you'll move your attention to your Excel spreadsheet to ensure you've typed the number or data correctly. Your eyes will go back to the paper and then back to Excel, back to the paper, back to Excel. This process will be very time consuming and might drive you crazy. Let's see how we can use Speak Cells on Enter to help us in that situation. Basically, I can go up here to what's called the Quick Access Toolbar. I'll click this button here to customize the Quick Access Toolbar. Then I'll go down to More Commands, which will give me a list of popular commands that I can easily add to the Quick Access Toolbar so that they appear here. However, I'll click where it says Popular Commands and switch to either All Commands or just Commands Not in the ribbon. If I click on that, I should be able to browse down and find Speak Cells on Enter. There it is. I'll click on it. Select Add, and it will be added to the list of tools on the Quick Access toolbar. If I want to change the order, I can click on it and then use this button to move it up or down to place it in the right spot. Finally, I'll click OK, and there it is, a button for Speak Cells on Enter right on my Quick Access toolbar. So let's take the spreadsheet here, which is a list of names, and let's add some more names to the sales data. I'll click on Speak Cells on Enter, and it's ready to go. Let's try it out. I'll type in Jonas. Hit Enter. It tried to pronounce it and did okay. Now I'll go down and add Marco. Tap Enter. Okay, yeah, it recognized what I typed. I hope you can see the potential benefit here with Speak Cells on Enter. It really can help you check your work as you enter it into the spreadsheet. If you ever get tired of Speak Cells on Enter, simply go up to the Quick Access toolbar, click Off Speak Cells on Enter. This is a toggle button so you can turn it off or on. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.